In this video, we will discuss how to measure the health of vegetation from space, and in the end, we will also go through the tutorial of this process to give a complete picture. With a few calculations, satellite images can reveal how ecosystems respond to climate. Farmers use these measurements to track crop productivity, and scientists use them to study forests and the carbon cycle. Vegetation indices and LAI help turn raw imagery into real-world decisions. In this project, we used Google Earth Engine and Colab to calculate 3 key indicators. 1. NDVI, normalized difference. It measures vegetation vigor, with higher values showing healthier, denser vegetation. 2. SAVI, soil-adjusted vegetation index. SAVI reduces soil background influence, making it especially useful in areas with sparse vegetation. 3. LAI, leaf area index. Instead of estimating LAI from NDVI, we use the validated MODIS MOD15A2H dataset, which provides global LAI values at 500-meter resolution. This tells us a direct biophysical measure of canopy density. The results show NDVI and SAVI behaving similarly in dense vegetation, where soil has little effect. The LAI map, on the other hand, highlighted areas with dense canopy cover, with values between 2 and 6 for forests and croplands, and lighter patches for bare soil. Together, they provide a complete picture of vegetation, health, and structure. Hence, combining vegetation indices with biophysical datasets gives us both a snapshot and a measurement. Indices tell us where vegetation is thriving, while LAI quantifies the biomass present. So that's how we used Google Earth Engine and Colab to calculate NDVI, SAVI, and LAI. Now let's get into the tutorial. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials on GIS.